Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the electric power steering fuses and relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find them. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. This guys is practically information that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will put the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, let's go ahead and explain the electric power steering fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us to save you money: there will be hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners of that Chevy Equinox do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. Go ahead and open the hood, facing the engine now here on the right side here guys. On the driver's side, you see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a tab with 2 clips that you press towards each other, one on this side, and then you can lift that cover up, and when you do that you're going to find underneath the fuse box that guys has a layout like this one here. Okay, now before we guys continue, okay, let's zoom in. Let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the power steering pump guys, usually you need to check one very big fuse, okay, because it's electric motor that runs the power steering pump. So guys, it will need to be quite substantial, and you can see you have some J-case fuses, but the biggest one is about 60 amp here and here, so it's none of these. But guys, there is a surprise. If you come right here on the side of the fuse box, check it out, okay, right here, you see that that's on the front of the fuse box. Do you see that fuse here, 80 amp fuse? That's known as a mega fuse guys. This is your power steering fuse, main fuse that you need to check. Now there could be another one, steering wheel fuse. If you want to see where it's located, it's for the steering angle sensor, steering wheel module. We will have the video on the channel if you need to find that one as well. But the main fuse for the power steering one is that one that you need to check. You don't have relays, you just have that fuse that's known as a mega fuse guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.